I don't know if people think that much about, like, are you buying something because the vendor involved and saying, I'm using this tool now, or are you truly evaluating it that it's going to solve your problems?
Yeah, and so much to unpack there, and just go back to your how you started off, kind of rip and replace, rebuild. Um, I think it does happen a lot, and it happens sometimes completely out of control of the current ownership, and sometimes completely in control of the current ownership. And I know this isn't the topic of conversation, but I think it's important to recognize that sometimes the current homeowners are dealing with so much what's the right word, lack of care of the home from the previous owners, that they have no other choice, right? Those that choose rip and replace, I think, deserve a lot of credit, because it's not an easy decision to make. It could be, let's just go along with the flow. We actually have a couple current clients right now that are in that situation, that are facing a tear it down and rebuild, and it's simply because the previous owners lacked care of the house, and now they're kind of left with this thing that, where you been, that can't be sustained any longer. But the other side of it is, those that come in and have a choice, and they're doing it because of ego, right? Like, I have to redo this in my image. No one else could have done as good a job as me, so I'm throwing out everything else and rebuild. That's where we run into lots of problems.